Okay, I have to show y'all something that my hairstylist taught me, Robert Moore, who's amazing. Okay, so I was telling him, Robert, I feel like my hair looks thin on this side. So, I don't know, maybe it's the cut or something. And he's like, oh no, Carly. So when you part it, when you do that extreme part, what you're supposed to do is you'll like start the extreme part, but then you'll like pull, like you do your extreme part and then you pull like hair from there. So it looks the same in the front, but then you have more hair coming down on that side and it doesn't look thin. And I was like, oh my gosh, that is the best thing I've ever learned with hair. So I had to share it with you guys. So see, a lot more hair over here, but still have the extreme part.